Imagine a material that not only simplifies the installation process, but also brings a host of benefits that traditional drywall simply can't match. Let's embark on a detailed exploration of this incredible PVC wall paneling system. What exactly is this revolutionary material? It's a lightweight, durable PVC panel that offers a seamless installation process, making it an ideal choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. But what sets it apart from traditional drywall is its unique internal structure. Designed with a pattern of interconnected triangles, this structure provides exceptional strength and durability, ensuring that your walls can withstand more than the usual wear and tear. Let's delve into the environmental aspect of this product. Not only is it designed for ease and durability, but it's also eco-friendly. Made from 100% recyclable PVC, this paneling system is a nod to sustainable building practices, ensuring that your home improvement projects are in harmony with the environment. Now, you might be curious about the installation process. It's surprisingly straightforward. The PVC panels come with a specialized trim that allows for quick and easy attachment to your walls. This means no more mudding, taping, or sanding. Just a clean, efficient process that leaves you with a stunning finish. But how does this material hold up over time? Its durability is one of its standout features. Whether it's resisting impacts or standing strong against the test of time, these PVC panels are designed to last. This makes them an excellent investment for those looking to enhance the longevity and resilience of their interior spaces. As we reach the midpoint of our journey, if you're captivated by the potential of this innovative wall paneling system, don't forget to subscribe to AI Tech Underground. We're here to keep you updated on the most cutting-edge solutions that make your home improvement projects a breeze. Let's talk customization. One of the many advantages of this PVC paneling is its versatility. Whether you need to cut it to fit specific dimensions or drill holes for fixtures, you can do it all with the standard tools you likely already have in your garage. This adaptability makes it perfect for a wide range of applications, from residential rooms to commercial settings. Now, onto a critical aspect: how does this material fare against environmental elements? The PVC paneling is not just tough, it's also water-resistant. This makes it an ideal choice for areas prone to moisture, like bathrooms or kitchens, where traditional drywall might succumb to mold or mildew. But what about aesthetics? We understand that functionality should go hand in hand with style. That's why this paneling comes in various colors, allowing you to choose the perfect shade to complement your interior design. And if you ever decide to change up the look, painting the panels is a breeze, giving you endless possibilities to refresh your space. As we continue, let's address a common concern: sound insulation. Just how well does this innovative material stand up to noise compared to traditional drywall? It's essential to know that while PVC paneling is robust and durable, its sound insulating properties are comparable to standard drywall. This means you can enjoy your peace and quiet while reaping the benefits of this modern material. For those of you who have stuck with us thus far, remember, your engagement helps us bring more of this valuable content to you. If you're finding this video enlightening and are considering PVC paneling for your next project, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more insightful content from AI Tech Underground. Moving forward, let's consider the installation environment. Unlike drywall, which can be messy and time-consuming, PVC paneling offers a clean and swift installation. This not only saves you time, but also reduces the cleanup required post-installation, making it a preferred choice for those seeking efficiency and convenience in their building or renovation projects. But what about the cost? It's a question on everyone's mind. While the initial investment in PVC paneling might be higher than traditional drywall, it's essential to consider the long-term benefits. With its durability, ease of installation, and low maintenance requirements, this innovative material offers significant value over time. You won't have to worry about frequent repairs or replacements, which is often the case with conventional drywall, especially in areas prone to damage or moisture. Let's delve into the maintenance aspect. One of the remarkable advantages of PVC paneling is its ease of maintenance. Unlike drywall, which can be a hassle to clean or repair, these PVC panels are incredibly user-friendly. A simple wipe down with a damp cloth can keep them looking pristine for years. And if a panel does get damaged, it's far easier to replace a single panel than to patch and repaint a section of drywall, ensuring your walls always look their best with minimal effort. Now, consider the impact on your home's or business's aesthetic appeal. This paneling isn't just functional, it's also designed to enhance the visual appeal of any space. With its sleek, modern appearance, it can transform an ordinary room into a contemporary masterpiece. Whether you're aiming for a minimalist look or a more vibrant design, the choice of colors and the possibility of painting the panels give you the flexibility to achieve your desired ambience. As we near the end of our exploration, let's talk about the potential applications of this versatile material. While it's an excellent choice for residential spaces like garages, kitchens, and bathrooms, its benefits extend far beyond the home. Commercial spaces, including restaurants, hospitals, and offices, can also leverage the durability, ease of maintenance, and aesthetic appeal of PVC paneling. Its water-resistant and antimicrobial properties make it an ideal choice for environments that prioritize hygiene and cleanliness. But what about the future? As we look ahead, it's clear that innovative materials like PVC paneling are set to play a significant role in the evolution of building and interior design. Their combination of durability, ease of use, and aesthetic versatility aligns with the growing trend towards more sustainable, efficient, and customizable building practices. By choosing this paneling for your projects, you're not just making a smart decision for today, you're investing in the future of construction and design. Before we wrap up, let's revisit the importance of your engagement. At AI Tech Underground, we're committed to uncovering the most innovative solutions to enhance your living and working environments. If you found this deep dive into PVC paneling insightful and think it could be the right choice for your next project, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to bring valuable content and keep you at the forefront of technological advancements in home improvement. In conclusion, PVC wall paneling is more than just an alternative to drywall. It's a forward-thinking solution that addresses many of the limitations of traditional materials. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional builder, or someone simply looking to enhance their space, this innovative paneling offers a blend of benefits that traditional materials can't match. With its durability, ease of installation, and aesthetic flexibility, it's poised to become a staple in modern construction and design. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of PVC wall paneling. We're excited to see how this innovative material transforms your spaces and projects. Remember, at AI Tech Underground, we're always digging deeper to bring you the latest and greatest in tech and home improvement. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content that lights the way to a smarter, more efficient future. Until next time, keep innovating, keep improving, and keep exploring the potential of the world around you.